chicken and dumpling soup. I added 4 frozen chicken breasts from the Kroger bag, or you can add 3 fresh chicken breast in there. Add a can of cream of chicken soup. Pretty much got most of it. Adding 4 cans of chicken broth. Put it on low for 4 hours. This is a crock pot smart pot, so I'm able to put a timer on it. Take the chicken out of the crock pot and shred it with 2 forks, and then add it back to the crock pot. I took some Krusty's mix and some milk, mixed it together, and made some biscuit mix. I'm going to add about 2 cups of it to the crock pot mix for the dumplings, and then I'll make the rest with biscuits. I'll put the recipe in the link down below in the description or on my website. Turn on the crock pot again for another hour on low. Cover it, and there you have it. I added some black pepper, probably about a tablespoon's worth, and I'm breaking up some of the biscuit mix, because if you use Krusty's, what happened is it floated up to the top, made a crust, and this is what the dumpling soup looks like. Hope you enjoyed this. Come subscribe back to this channel to have some more fun money saving videos. Until next time, happy saving. Bye.